Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this electric chocolate fountain for dipping fruit, pastries and more from Silvercrest. It is a kitchen tool with a stainless steel bowl for heating and maintaining the temperature with a 300 ml maximum capacity, 32 watt the power consumption, rust-free stainless steel with a 3 years warranty. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and find out more about this product, how we can use it, melt the chocolate and see how much taste it is. And of course inside we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read it is your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. The cable is about 1 meter, I like that, very convenient. Now let's see one by one at the device. Suction cap at the base, definitely it will stay very secure at your kitchen countertop. Switch control heating and motor, off, only heating with LED indicator. And here we have the rising tube mounting, goes here. And then we have the chocolate screw. And that is the ring tube. The stainless steel bowl for heating and maintaining temperature. And let's plug it in. Easy clean, all removable parts are suitable for dishwashers. 300 grams of chocolate, there it is. Cut it on small pieces, small cubes. Heating, LED light, and let's wait. Fill the bowl with the desired amount of chocolate, not more than 300 grams. We can see the chocolate is melting right now, slowly. Definitely we need to wait. So many chocolates at the market, you need to find the right one that can be liquefied more easily than others. And after 15 minutes I have added all the chocolate, we need to wait more. And after 30 minutes it is ready. Let's switch here. Wow! I have added of course milk. Needs to be liquefied more, the chocolate. It looks great. You need to find the right consistency for the chocolate, be more liquid, add more milk, then stir. And then I think we will have a good result. And of course you can use it with pastry, taste it. I like it. Or with apple, yeah, why not? Banana. I think banana and chocolate are a good combination. Whatever you want, there are so many materials that you can try with chocolate. Nice, beautiful. Have fun. Invite your friends, do a party, and have this beautiful electric chocolate fountain and impress your friends, your guests. I'm sure they will like it, and you can use any material, any food that you like the most with chocolate, dip and taste. And it costs only 20 euros, I think the price it is very good. And with that saying, my viewers, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, it takes only 1 second, press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who will need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. I wish to all of you a happy new year. I wish you the best. Stay safe. Enjoy any moment, 2023, with your family, with your friends, with your loved ones. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.